ProGraft range is 100% allograft bone and is supplied freeze-dried, which means they are all able to be transported at ambient temperature and stored on the shelf in hospitals. The fibres and flowable fibres will require hydration at time of use. Hydration is required for handling purposes only. By hydrating the fibres, you are improving their handling characteristics for the surgeon. Flowable fibres. Step 1. Prepare the solution. Use a sterile syringe to draw up isotonic solution, bone marrow aspirate, or patient's blood. Step 2. Hydrate the graft. Slowly inject the solution into the back of the barrel. Occasionally press the plunger to ensure full hydration, ensuring even saturation by injecting both the front and the back of the barrel. Step 3. Check hydration. Confirm the graft is fully hydrated before use. You cannot overhydrate the graft. Squeeze out any excess liquid before implantation. Step 4. Implantation. Graft does not need to be used straight away. Can be left hydrated until required. Slowly squeeze desired amount into surgical site. Step 5. MIS inserter. Optional. Inject the hydrated fibres into the MIS inserter and carefully deploy them into the surgical site as shown above. Fibres. Step 1. Hydrate the fibres. Hydrate the fibres using isotonic solution, bone marrow aspirate, or patient's blood. Step 2. Check hydration. Ensure fibres are evenly hydrated by breaking up the graft with fingers or surgical instruments. Squeeze out any excess liquid before implantation. Step 3. Implantation. Mold fibres into desired shape and place into surgical sites and/or hardware. Step 4. Mixing fibres with granules. Optional. The hydrated fibres can be easily mixed with granules if required.